A Python Developer's Guide to A in 2024. Artificial intelligence A continues to evolve rapidly, and Python remains one of the most popular languages for developing A applications. In 2024, the landscape of A development is shaped by advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. This guide will provide an overview of key concepts, tools, and libraries, along with code examples to get you started. Table of Contents. 1. Understanding A and its applications. 2. Setting up your development environment. Setting up your 3. Key libraries for A development: TensorFlow and keras, pytorch, scikit-learn, Hugging Face transformers. 4. Building a simple A model. 5. Exploring natural language processing (NLP). 6. Working with computer vision. 7. Deploying your A model. 8. Ethical considerations in A development. 9. Conclusion. 1. Understanding A and its applications. A encompasses a variety of technologies and methodologies that enable machines to mimic human behavior. Key applications include machine learning algorithms that learn from data, natural language processing, NLP understanding and generating human language, computer vision enabling machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. Setting up your development environment. To get started with A development, you need to install Python and a few essential libraries. You can use pip, Python's package installer, to install the necessary packages. Here's how to set up your environment. Bash install Python. If not already installed, you can download it from hut or Python org downloads. Create a virtual environment. Recommended Python venv and source and bin. Activate on Windows. Use am scripts. Activate. Install necessary libraries. Pip install numpy, pandas, matplotlib, scikit-learn, tensorflow, torch transformers. 3. Key libraries for A development. TensorFlow and keras. TensorFlow is a powerful library for building machine learning models, while keras provides a high-level API that makes it easy to create neural networks. Example: building a simple neural network with TensorFlow. Python import TensorFlow asset from TensorFlow, import keras from TensorFlow. Keras import layers, load dataset, e.g. NIST, keras datasets, NIST train images, train labels, test images, test labels, NIST load data, train images 255.0 model is 50.2 do 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 now to vo to po to vo to do to seven do to real po build by view sequential layers. Flatten input shape 28 layers. Dense 128 activation ReLU layers. Dense 10 activation softmax. Compile the model compile optimizer atom loss parse categorical cross entropy Metrics accuracy, train the model fit train images, train labels. Epoch 5, evaluate the model, test loss. Test ACK model, evaluate test images. Test labels, printf and test accuracy, test ACK. PyTorch is another popular library for deep learning, known for its dynamic computation graph. Building a simple A model here, an example of how to build a linear regression model using scikit-learn Python. Import numpy and import pandas from scikit-learn model selection. Import train test split from scikit-learn linear model. Import linear regression from scikit-learn metrics. Import mean squared error. Generate synthetic data. So Python random rand 100 110 features plan by biases priority parachute pioneer bio bio bioresearch palette pio bio 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 biodiversity bio 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 player servicer serviuser servibio psa psa servivisvel psari 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 psaram servio bio pavida power psarari psurio paro psurio bio power buturio bio power Primary, sure, primary, primary bill, well, primary bill, dear, primary bill, you, primary bill, primary, well, usually bill, zoos, well, well, 5. Exploring natural language processing. MOP has gained significant traction with models like BERT and KECT. Hugging Face Transformers is a leading library for NLP tasks. Example text classification with Hugging Face Python from Transformers. Import pipeline load up retrained sentiment analysis model classifier pipeline sentiment analysis classify text result classifier. I love using Python for A development. Working with computer vision tasks can be easily handled with libraries like OpenF and TensorFlow. Example image classification with TensorFlow Python. Import TensorFlow asset from TensorFlow. Keras preprocessing. Image import image data generator. Load data assuming dataset is in data train and data vol train datagen image data generator rescale. 1. Deploying your A model. Deploying models can be done using frameworks like Flask for web apps or platforms like TensorFlow serving. Here's a simple Flask example. Python from Flask. Import Flask request. Shonify import numpy async import joblib app Flask name load up retrained model e.g. a saved scikit-learn model joblib load model plot app route predict methods post to def predict data request. Get force true prediction model predict and parade data features. Reshape 1 return Shonify prediction to list if name main app run debug true. 8. Ethical considerations in A development. As A technology grows, so do ethical concerns. Consider the following bias. Ensure your models are trained on diverse datasets to avoid bias. Transparency. Make your A decisions interpretable. Privacy. Respect user privacy and data protection regulations. Conclusion. In 2024, the realm of A development in Python is more accessible than ever, with powerful libraries and frameworks at your disposal. By understanding key concepts and utilizing the available tools, you can build robust A applications that make a real-world impact. Stay updated with the latest trends and best practices, and continue exploring the vast field of A.